There it goes. Whoa.
Awesome.
There it goes.
Oh.
There it goes, guys.
I'm not doing a video, I'm taking a picture.
That's perfect.
Whoa!
Bam.
They just fired it off. These are live pictures.
Whoa!
Yeah, it's owned by the marketing department. Yeah. No. Well, there are a lot of clouds up there today. Yeah, it went right through them.
Jay, get him so he can reach
Hold on.
the cowboys.
Okay, have a seat anywhere down here, guys.
Now I can enjoy this too.
Okay.
No. Over here. Let's go this.
Absolutely.
Jay, turn around.
Mom, look. Mom, look.
Dang.
Someone could jump off here.
Where is it?
They just passed it.
Well, that's a great sight to see,
That
guys.
is so high. You good?
Okay, this is one of the private suites we have in the stadium. And we have 368 private suites, which means we have more suites here than any other athletic stadium in the world. This particular suite is owned by the marketing department, and we bring people in here so that they can see what a suite would be like, and in case they might want to lease one. You lease a suite for 10, 20, or 30 years. 10, 20, or 30 years.
Dang.
When you lease
Oh,
a
they're in
suite, you
space.
get cowboy, you get
Dude, they're in
tickets
space, Mom.
for each of the seats in here for the Cowboy home game.
Mom, they're in
However, if
space.
you wanted to come to a concert or say the bull riding event or one of Manny Pacquiao's boxing matches, then you have to, this would still be your suite, but you have to buy tickets for however many people come in here to watch the event.
There's space over
There's
You'd have
That's
another,
Earth.
huh? Well, for however many seats you had, these type of seats,
Edward,
you would get
they're
that
not
many
with us anymore.
home games. And then if you wanted to come to another event, then you
Are they
would
gonna
buy
show
the
them
tickets
Mandy on the
for
moon?
however
Where are they
many
going?
you had.
Where are they going?
to me.
No, those don't count as
You know how
seats.
long it's gonna take?
A lot of
to get there?
people
I
go
know
back
it.
there to eat,
A month.
watch the game, yeah. You've got 7 different TVs in this suite alone. Each suite, by the way, has at least one restroom, a kitchen area, and this is like a double, so you'd have 2 restrooms, 2 kitchen areas, and two lounge areas in the back. Yeah, you do have for a suite like this, you'd have 2 suite attendants, 2 just for your suite. Absolutely, take care of your every need. Yeah, it's nice, and you can either have the window